death match. Oh, did I ever tell you how much I hate Freemasons? They're freaking losers. Jesus is God and Freemasons are losers. Okay. So, what I'm saying is a death match is to them. So, this is called the death match integral. Okay, so it is the integral of cosine of 4x plus 1 over cot x minus 10x dx. Right? Okay, sorry, the other pen doesn't write. Alright, so y'all know like the double angle identity for cosine, right? It says cosine 2 theta is equal to 2 cosine squared theta minus 1, right? So we could write 4x as 2 times 2x, wherein it becomes abundantly clear that the role of theta is being played by 2x, right? That theta is 2x. So then using that, we could write this is the same as, I don't need to reference it, it's 2 cosine 2x minus 1, right? This is cosine of 2 theta, but again, theta is 2x, and minus 1, right? There's a minus 1 over there. Then there's a plus 1 over here. So we go plus 1. We go boom. And then we go over. And then this here, this is cosine x over sine x, right? And then minus sine x over cosine x, right? But then we need common denominator, so we go cosine x here, and we put a square there. And we go sine x here, and we put a square there, right? Okay. And so then now we could just extend this and get rid of one of these fellas, right? And there's the whole like keep, change, flip stuff, right? And so we do that, right? And recall, it's similar to the cosine double angle identity. There's a sine double angle identity that says sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cosine theta, right? Okay, so we go, alright, this is the same as, we take this 2 right in front of the integral sign and be like, cosine 2x, I'm going to keep that as is, so we go cosine 2x, and then, remember, keep, flip, change, we're dividing by this quotient, so we flip, like we keep, whatever, like, you know how math works, sine x, cosine x, I mean, in other words, if you don't know, like, you know, how this works at this stage in your life, you should give up. Okay, no, just kidding. I'm just saying, if you know calculus, if you're watching a calculus video, you should know what keep, flip, change is. So minus, sine squared is 1 minus cosine squared, right? So I go 1 minus cosine squared x, right? Dx. Okay, but notice in order for us to use this sine double angle identity, right? There's a 2 right there. And so we go, oh yeah, we put a 2 right there, and then we could put a 1/2 to make up for it right here, right? But wait, 1/2 times 2 is gone, right? So that 2 is gone, because we put a 2 there, put a 1/2 there. Put a 2 there, put a 1/2 here. But there was a 2 there, so they cancel, right? But then this here, right, is sine 2x, right? So we'd be like, so what we have now is cosine 2x, right? And then sine 2x, ooh, sorry, I messed up. And that's because there's a square here, right? I got backtracked, my bad, guys. So we gotta put a square there, and then we gotta put a square here. Oh wait, the angel number is the 2's, no. We gotta put a square there, right? Okay, so it wasn't that bad. Like, hopefully you had faith. You know, I'm human, so don't put too much stock in me, like I'll disappoint you at some point. But Christ will never disappoint you. But I'm just saying, like, you know, if you've been watching my videos, then you should have faith that I was gonna catch it, right? The mistake? Okay, good. So we go over, and then this is cosine squared minus, that makes plus, so that's 2 cosine squared, x, right? And then there's a minus in front of the 1, so oh wait, look! Boom! boom, this here be cosine 2x, not 2 theta, cosine 2x, because that's an x. That's, wait, sorry, hold up. That's an x, that's a theta, that's an x, that's a theta. Sorry. Okay, I'm climbing too much. So this is cosine 2x. Oh, my bad. Now I'm getting sloppy. Okay, and then a dx, right? Okay, so then we'd be like, boom, and then one of these twos goes, right? And then we'd be like, oh yeah, okay. So this is like integral. Now we could be like, what is that called? Substitution, regular substitution, right? So we need a u, like, so the denominator is gone, right? And so we don't need this here anymore. And now like this looks really out of place. So let's scoot this further up, right? Okay. And so like we could be like u is cosine or sine. Who cares? We can make u sine, right? So if we say that this is u, then we've got u, and du would be cosine 2x times 2, right? So we could just be like 2 cosine 2x dx. This is what I just wrote is du. Only one little issue, which is that 2 there ain't no 2 right there. So we put a 1/2 right there. Right? So we'd be like, this is 1/2 integral u du. And you know how this goes. It's 1/2 u squared over 2. So we throw a 4 right here plus c. Just call back what we said was u, which is cosine 2x, and sine 2x, and that's that. Okay, cool. Yeah, stay strong in Christ. Do not fear anyone but Jesus Christ. And otherwise, like, have faith in him, complete faith in him. He's always good. He's always loyal. And that's that. Have a great day, guys.